Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the AI you've been using for years is suddenly outdated. That's exactly what's happening right now. We all know about ChatGPT. We've seen the hype around Google Gemini. What if I told you there's an AI that's even more powerful, more accurate, and open to everyone? Meet DeepSeek AI, an artificial intelligence so advanced that it could outthink, outlearn, and outperform many of the biggest AI models available today. But wait, could this be the AI that finally dethrones ChatGPT? Or is it just another overhyped model? Well, I've done the research. Today, we're diving deep into what makes DeepSeek AI so special. And here's the real question. Could DeepSeek AI take over the AI world in the next few years? You might be shocked by what I'm about to reveal. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is DeepSeek AI, and why is it making waves in the AI world? Unlike ChatGPT, which was designed primarily for conversation and content creation, DeepSeek is built for something even more powerful: deep logical reasoning, complex problem solving, and advanced multilingual tasks. DeepSeek AI is open source, meaning anyone can access and improve it. Unlike proprietary AI like ChatGPT or Gemini, which are controlled by private companies, DeepSeek's AI models are free to use, modify, and customize. This alone makes it a game changer. Imagine an AI that doesn't just guess the next word in a sentence, but actually thinks like a human scientist, analyzing data, solving multi-step problems, and even optimizing its own learning process. Then let's see what makes DeepSeek AI unique. 1. Deep logical thinking and problem solving. Most AI models use pattern recognition to predict responses, but DeepSeek goes further. It actually reasons and applies logic to answer complex questions. This makes it far superior for advanced problem solving than most current AI models. For example, ChatGPT might give a general answer, but DeepSeek can actually solve multi-step math problems, debug code, and refine its own answers. 2. The ultimate AI for developers and coders. If you're a developer, listen up. DeepSeek isn't just another chatbot. It's a powerful AI assistant that can debug, optimize, and improve your code. Imagine writing a function, and instead of just completing it, DeepSeek suggests a faster, more efficient solution automatically. This could completely change the way we code. 3. Multilingual capabilities. More accurate than Google Translate? Another game-changing feature, DeepSeek can translate and understand languages better than most AI models. Whether it's Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, or French, DeepSeek can translate with improved accuracy over traditional tools like Google Translate. Now, the big question everyone is asking: can DeepSeek AI replace ChatGPT? Here's the truth. DeepSeek has some serious advantages over ChatGPT. It's open source, smarter in problem solving, and offers deeper logic-based reasoning. But there's one major roadblock. ChatGPT and Google Gemini have massive funding, continuous updates, and a global user base. DeepSeek is still new and improving, and while it's incredibly powerful, it doesn't yet have the reach and refinement of OpenAI's models. So, will DeepSeek take over AI? Not today, but in the near future, it could be a serious competitor. So, what do you think? Will DeepSeek AI be the next big thing, or will ChatGPT and Gemini stay ahead? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're excited. And if you want to know the secrets of ChatGPT, click here to watch my deep dive.